to learn the IUPAC nomenclature of alkenes, right? In our previous lecture, we learned about the IUPAC nomenclature of alkane. So, today's topic is to name the alkanes of organic compound. Okay, let me say at first what is alkenes, right? This is ethane, this is alkane, but if you deduct two hydrogen from this compound, then you are getting a double bond, and this is alkene, right? How can we name this compound? This is ethane, right? This is alkane. From alkane we have to deduct ane and we have to add ene, right? Then we are getting alkene, right? So this is ethane, we'll deduct ane and we'll add ene, so we are getting ethene. However, so this is unsaturated compound because this has double bond. Due to the presence of double bond, this is unsaturated. So what is the definition of alkene? Alkenes are unsaturated hydrocarbon, right? Containing carbon-carbon double bond. Well, alkene are named by replacing ane of alkane by ene. Already we have learned it. I hope, believe and expect that this thing is clear to you. Well, the IUPAC rules for naming alkenes. Rule number 1. First, we have to select the longest chain, right? Select the longest carbon chain containing the double bond, right? This is a compound. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So here 2 carbon is left. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this has a double bond, right? So we have to consider this chain as the parent chain, right? So and if I number this compound from this side to up to this carbon, then I am getting 4. So this is not acceptable. I have to consider double bond, right? And the longest chain. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But numbering from this side to this side is not correct, because here the position of double bond at carbon 4, that is huge, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and here the position of double bond at carbon 1. So we have to try to express the double bond at lowest possible number. So this way, numbering this way is correct, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So our parent alkane is pentane, but due to the presence of double bond, we have to consider it as a alkene. So this is pentane. From pentane we are getting pentene. This is pentene, right? Rule number 2. Name the longest chain by dropping, right, the final ane from the name of the corresponding alkane and adding the ending ene. Already this is pentane. If you consider this as a alkane, and since this is alkene, so we have to deduct ane from pentane, and we have to use ene, that is we are getting pentene. Okay, pentane, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is pentane. If you pentane, and due to double bond we will deduct ane and you will use ene. So pentene. And this one, the position of double bond, pentene 1, or you can write 1 pentene, or you can say pent 1 in. What you can say? PENT, pent 1 in. So there are three ways to express the nomenclature of this compound. Be aware or remember, we have to number the chain from the end closer to the double bond. Here is this fact. We have to express the double bond at lowest possible number. So this is the mole theme, right? Already we have learned it. This has nothing new. Okay, rule number 3. Indicate the position of the double bond by the number of the number of the first, that is lowest number carbon atom involved in double bond. Here already we have done it. We are expressing double bond at lowest possible number. Well, you see, 1 2 3, this is 1. We have to always we have to try to express the double bond at lowest possible number. So this is 1 2 3 4 5. This is pentene, the position of double bond at carbon 1, so 1 pentene. And here you see 1 to 3, there is a substituent at carbon 3. So, and the name of this substituent is methyl, and the position of substituent at carbon 3. So 3 methyl 1 pentene. So from this example, we are going to narrate the rule number 4. Alkyl groups, this is alkyl groups, and other substituents are numbered, right? Here number at carbon 3. Numbered, named and placed as suffix. This is named, and prefix, prefix, this is prefix in alphabetic order, that is A, B, C, D, thus. So what will be the name of this compound? This is ethene, this is propene, but this is 1-butene, right? And what will be the name of this compound? 1 2 3, this is 2-methyl 1-propene. I hope this is clear to you. Okay, let me explain the rule number 5, right? So let me read at first. Alkenes containing two double bonds, right? If a alkane contains two double bonds at the same molecule, then we have to consider that molecule as alkatynes. Alkenes containing two double bonds are named as alkatynes. How can we alkatynes, right? Alkane, we have to deduct ane and we have to add diene, right? Diene, alkatyne. So this is propane, and if we deduct ane and if we add diene, diene, so we are getting propadiene, right? So this is 1 2 3. The position of first double bond is at carbon 1 and second double bond at carbon 2. So 1 2 propadiene. Here is 1 3 butadiene, right? And here is 1 4 pentadiene. I hope this is clear to you. Alkatyne, please remember it, alkatyne, and before alkatyne, place the number of double bond, position of double bond. So let us practice some example, right? What will be the name of this compound? 1 2 3 4, right? But numbering this way is not correct. We have to number from this side. 1 2 3 4, right? Then we are getting double bond at carbon 1. So, and since this has 4 carbon, so 1-butene or butene 1 or but 1 in. There are 3 ways to express the nomenclature of this compound, right? What is the What will be the name of this compound? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. So if you number from this way, then the position of the double bond will be at carbon 3. That is not acceptable because it will be higher. And if you number from left to right, then you are getting the position of double bond at carbon 2. So this is acceptable. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is pentane. From pentane we are getting pentane and position of double bond at carbon 2. So pentane 2. Well, let me explain the nomenclature of this compound. Well, if I number from this side 1, 2, 3, 4, 3. The position of double bond at carbon 3. But if I number from 1, 2, 3, right? The position of double bond at carbon 3. So from both sides I am getting the position of double bond at carbon 3. So now I have to think about the branch. If I number from right to left, then I am getting two substituent, and if I number from left to right, then I am getting one substituent. I have to prioritize this way because I am getting more substituent. So what will be the name of this compound? 1, 2, 3, 6. This is hexane. From hexane we are getting hexene, and the position of double bond at carbon 3. So hexene 3, and this is these are the 3 methyl group, right? The position of methyl group is at carbon 2, 3 and 5. So 2, 3, 5 tri means 3, trimethyl hexene 3. Okay, this is the food for thinking of you. Okay, what will be the nomenclature of this compound? This is 1, 2, 3, 2 methyl propene. What will be the nomenclature of this compound? 1, 2, 1, 2. So I have to consider the branch. So I will number from this way. 1, 2, right? So chlorine. So from as a substituent, the name of this chlorine will be chloro, right? The position of chloro at carbon 1. So 1 chloro, butene. The position of double bond at carbon 2. So butene 2. Okay. What will be the nomenclature of this compound? Think, right? Please think, and then try to combine your logic with this name. This is also food for your thinking, and this is also food for your thinking, and this is also food for your thinking, and this is also food for your thinking. This is also food for your thinking. So pause the video and try it. Thank you for viewing this video. If you think that this video is helpful for you, you can subscribe this channel to get more videos like this.